In today's video, I'm gonna learn you guys how to make custom M1s. Now, like, I did this whole thing, recorded it, I talked over it, but my thing, it didn't work. So like my microphone wasn't like connected to the thing. So basically, I just lost all my shit. So you wanna call make the output ID of the NOT gate M1, then do this. Nice. Now you go into it, you make the output ID the same as the NOT gate, so M1. CC, now it connects. Wow, so cool. Like, this is the display name, so like the name it'll show in the character picker thingy. So base character is basically just like the walking animation. So you want to make it, call it M1, edit animation, find your animation, whichever animation fits you. I'ma just use energy search. Wow, so cool. Cut it down to where he hits. Then I want to look at where he hits, like where his hands make contact with the enemy, or whatever. As you can see, now basically this is just a lot of boring stuff, so I'ma just make this quick. So basically I just added a weight, and now I'm gonna add the hitbox. So the hitbox is the hitbox, you know what the hitbox is. Wanna do stun anim, damage needs to be like 3, that's the average damage. No, that's not the average, that's the damage of an M1. The only thing you wanna do for this one is you wanna put single target off, cause you don't want it to only hit one person. Let's say there's multiple persons, like people around each other. Now let's see if it works. It works. So let's see if the hitbox works by spawning a dummy. Basic dummy. Wow. Oh, it works so cool, so peak. Now, why did I add 2 animations? I added 2 animations for the melee M1 thingy, because for some reason the animation cancels if you don't make a new one that finishes the animation. Now I wanna make it look cool. So these 4 steps are the important ones. These visuals and everything is not important, so I'm going to speed it up, but not so much shit so you can't see what's happening if you want to do the same as I did. So if you want to add another animation, you can do that. Just look at when it hits and stuff. So I'm just gonna make this quick, because this is just something I like and I wanna make so it looks good. Don't mind my English, I'm not originally English, so my English is kinda cheeks. So if you didn't get what I was saying, basically all of this I'm doing right now is optional, other than this right now. So I'm gonna add a state. So the state is basically what state you're in, and I'm gonna make it speed multiplier, because you slow down. I'm gonna make the value 7, so 0.7 slower in the time, but the time is too long for you go slow in 1 second, which is way too long, so the animation doesn't play. Holy moly, that they make sense at all. Anyways, speed multiplier is basically just how fast you're going. The reason why I changed it so much was because it didn't add up. So these are the actual settings. 0.7 is the value, 0.6 is the speed for what I'm using it for. So now this is the same as before. It doesn't matter. It's just it looks cool. I don't know. I like it. It looks cool. So yeah, that's why I added it. Alright, I'm gonna speedrun this because there was way too much trial error. So I added a weight. The weight basically makes it so the branch and the hitbox doesn't happen at the same time. If it would happen at the same time, it wouldn't work. Branch, you need to put the last hit to 0.1, because then it'll do it on the last hit. Now, look at this. So I added energy sparks, made the amount 5. Now I'm gonna add blood, make the amount 10, because I wanted him to do a splash of blood. And then I'm gonna make the alt size. I'm gonna make it 30 or 50. Yeah, 30, 50. You can do it whatever. And alt size 1. So now when you hit him, he shoots out of blood. But right now it takes a little bit too much time for the blood to come out. You feel me? So I'll make the weight 0.01, because then there's basically no delay. And as you can see, the energy sparks comes out when I hit him. And yeah, it doesn't come out if I don't hit him, because it's on him. Like, the things happen on him. On him. I'm gonna add this to make it look so like a bit more, so like I actually hit him, like the animation plays out, because before it wasn't playing out. And that's basically it for the M1s, basically. Now, the M2 is easy. You just copy the M1 and change the animation. If I were you, like, also change the text to M2. If I were you, I would make it so as the first like the M1 is with the right hand or the left hand, and then the second one is like so they change hands, so right, left. You see? You see. Nice. So that's basically what I did for the rest of the 3, and I'm just gonna skip to the 4th. As you can see, I made the 4th one, which for some reason I made 2 M3s, so there's 2 M3s and 1 M4. I don't know why, but I deleted it later. Anyways, the last animation, we want to make a down slam and an up slam, or like uppercut, whatever. So this is actually easy. So I actually also added a no jump, because that's you need a no jump for the. Yeah, I realized that 3. Anyways, you need a no jump for the. Yo, why do I stutter so? Anyways, uppercut to work, or else the uppercut won't work. And if the uppercut doesn't work, I wouldn't be really nice with it now. Now I forgot to add to the last one because I'm stupid. Anyways, I just realized you need to add the jump and the air. You need to add a jump you need to add a jump and an air branch at the start of the thing, or else it won't work. Look, I put it up here because I'm such a good boy. You need to make the jump first, because you just do. And now you can make the one, as you can see I have the one, which is the blood thingy and stuff, and yeah, that's so cool. And now, yeah, it works. I'm so cool. So that's basically it for how to make it. Now, I'm going to jump down from a building and see if it works. 1, 2, 3, down slam. Wow, so cool. 1, 2, 3, uppercut. Wow, it's so cool. I'm so cool. Yeah, I am indeed. Anyways, so I just went ahead and went back and did some stuff and made it look better, and now it looks better. So that's it for the videos. The video. That's how to use uppercut, or how to make uppercut and down slam, and just basic M1s. Easy peasy. Watch my thing, subscribe, everything. Bye bye.